everyone, so today I'm filming a little vlog inside my house. I have a few things I have to do, so I'll just show you what I'm doing and stuff. And excuse my face, I kind of woke up like just half an hour ago or something, and I'm not doing my makeup or anything now, but basically my plan is it's my parents' anniversary today, so I'm gonna be making a cake for them. So while the cake's in the oven, I'll come and do my makeup. I haven't done makeup in ages, like a whole week or anything, because obviously I haven't been going anywhere, but I thought I'd do some makeup today so I can look more presentable. Alright, I'm just gonna make myself some tea so I can sip while I'm making the cake. Alright, so I actually have most of the things here. So my electric whisk, flour, sugar, baking powder, measurements, oil, eggs. So yeah, I'm gonna make that now. So I'm just currently still making the cake. Obviously I have all my ingredients, my egg whites over there. So the cake's in the oven. I still have more cake, but I think it just needs a few extra minutes. Sorry, I look so white right now. Basically I just have foundation on because I was in the middle of doing my makeup, which I will finish when I put the second cake in the oven. And sorry if you can hear background noise. My brother and sister are playing on the Nintendo Switch, so there's literally screaming. Alright, so the first cake is out and it's just cooling there. And then the other one is in the oven. It's been a while now. It's 4:50 p.m. and I'm out of breath because I just came up the stairs. Basically I've just brought some food up to my room. It's just rice and kidney beans. I made my cake, but I like ran out of buttercream, so I had to make some more, but I didn't have any icing sugar, so I had to make some icing sugar by like grinding normal sugar. So let's see how that turns out. So my cake's in the fridge, just cooling down. I just put the first like little coat of frosting, and then once it's a bit cool, then I'll frost it properly. And I still don't know exactly what I'm going to do for the design, but we'll see. I kind of have an idea in mind, but I have two different ideas, so we'll see what happens with that. So yeah, I just have a lemonade as well, just drinking that. Just gonna watch a bit of YouTube, and then later I'm gonna make my cake and we're gonna order pizza or something. Alright guys, so I made my cake. I'll show it to you in a sec. Basically I just put on this top. It's nothing fancy, but just because we're gonna take some pictures and stuff. Hey everyone, so I thought I'd do this angle so we can get a bit more comfortable and cozy. Literally my bed is so cozy. Right now I literally have this like massive teddy bear as well. I just thought I'd have a little chat with you guys because I love kind of like chatty videos as well, or just vlogs that also like have a bit of chattiness to them. So one thing is, I've actually been really sick recently, and I don't know what it is, because I don't know if it's coronavirus. I really hope it isn't. Obviously some of the symptoms are the same as coronavirus, but the coronavirus symptoms are really like broad, like they're not unique at all. So I don't know for sure, so it's a little bit hard since there's a lot of uncertainty. But I've been sick for like the past 5 days maybe, because I've had weird symptoms and a little bit of breathlessness and stuff like that. So I hope I have not had it, but I don't know for sure. I have definitely gotten a bit better though, so that's what counts. But I don't feel my best. I feel tired, fatigued, just achy. It's a bit difficult, and I've been waiting for this takeaway for ages and it just came, so I have to go. But yeah, so hopefully I'll get better soon. I've been trying to film loads of videos just so I can, you know, just so I can get some content out there for you guys, because I love YouTube. But honestly, a big thing that a big factor as to why I couldn't upload, like I barely uploaded in months, was because of school and school stress, and I wanted to excel in my exams. And when you're trying to do a hobby like YouTube, it's really hard for it not to get in the way. Or if you can hear any background noise, by the way, there's a lot of noise going on. I really wanted YouTube to be like a pathway for me to, you know, achieve something that I've always wanted to do, because people in my life have always told me, no, you can't do this. They've like never encouraged me to do this, and I thought I would prove everyone wrong and accomplish something. But then my family would be like, how many subscribers do you have now? How many subscribers do you have now? And I'm like 8,000 something. Like, it's being stuck at an amount, and it's hard to accelerate that. I want this to eventually be a full-time job for me, and it's difficult when you don't even have 10,000 subscribers. You don't even have enough for certain events on like YouTube that I wanted to attend. And I know it's a lot, and I'm extremely grateful, but I really want to grow my audience now, and I want to branch out into different content and stuff that I enjoy watching. I want to start making more of that kind of thing, making more unique content. So if you guys enjoy this, please do subscribe. I really want to hit 10,000 subscribers by this summer, because it would mean the world to me. I've been trying to hit this for a while now, and the whole of last year I've just been stuck at 8,000, and it's hard because I really want to do this and I really enjoy doing it, but it's hard when you literally don't get paid. As I'm gonna go eat my pizza and I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back from eating. It was good. I'm really full and I'm kind of sleepy, but I don't know, these days I don't really sleep until quite late anyway. It's 10:46 right now. These days I find myself sleeping around like 2, 3, 4 a.m. So if this vlog is really boring, I tried making it like as exciting as possible, but I mean, obviously I'm just keeping it real with you guys, and I'm just showing you literally what I actually do. By the way, I'm planning on sorting out my wardrobe, like decluttering it. So if you guys want to see that as a video, let me know and I'll film it, otherwise I won't. But I'm planning to do that in a couple days maybe. And I can't wait to do uni related content. I can't wait to go to university. It's gonna be amazing. I know I'm kind of hyping up a bit too much, but I love university content. Alright, back to what I was saying about YouTube. It's just a difficult situation. Sometimes I feel like I put so much effort into a video or something and it only gets a few hundred views, and I see some other YouTubers doing the exact same thing as me or something very similar, even simpler, and it gets so many more views. And I feel like my hard work goes to waste, and it's really annoying, because if I was in LA, if I was a typical white girl, I would get more subscribers. I know that seems so stupid to think about, but it's quite true. And it's hard to feel like you want to succeed in something that you don't feel very advantaged at, you know. And it's like, what kind of content do I create? Like, what I'm doing right now I'm enjoying, but clearly it's not working out. And I've been uploading a lot of videos recently as well. Obviously I can't complain because I've uploaded very little throughout the past year, but I'm trying to use this quarantine to like actually, you know, do something on my channel. So that's why I want you guys, if you're even subscribed, I want you guys to like actually interact with me, talk to me, comment below, all that stuff. I'm literally here and I really want to talk to my subscribers. So if you're out there, please comment down below. And the whole thing with exams and stuff, I actually don't need to do any coursework anymore because they announced that I don't need to, so it's all good. But I still need to finish my courses just so I have the knowledge. By the way, sorry about the really bad lighting. I have like these LED lights that are literally amazing, but they're like really TikTok-y things, and you can literally change if it wants to work. Yeah, you can change the color. It's really cool. You can get like different colors. I have a lot. So yeah, it's really fun. And please let me know, guys, what content you think I should start making. Like, if I should do similar content to what I'm already doing, or if I should do newer things. Cause like I'm really proud of myself. I started my channel when I was 13 and I'm 18 now. And literally request anything you want, I will do it. It's quarantine, I'm bored. I just want to get a bit better with my health, and then I'll start filming a bit more. I haven't filmed things for a while just because I haven't been feeling too well. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm probably gonna watch a bit of YouTube. And I have these jellies. My grandma sent them over with a few other things. They're sweet, so I'm gonna eat that while watching a bit of YouTube. You know, I've been obsessed watching university related content because I'm really excited to go to university. Hopefully that will happen smoothly and I'll get my grades that I want. We'll do a time lapse of me for a bit if you want to see that. forgot to say bye to my vlog. I just played Call of Duty for like 2 hours. And it's like 2:30 AM, so I have to whisper. But yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this sort of content, let me know down below. Just comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you end up enjoying this video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.